Japanese phonetic system is based on 5 vowels, consonants, modified syllables, and sound combinations. Though normally the alphabet R is commonly used in Japanese language, its pronunciation, however, is like L sound. For example, an apple is Lingo and is pronounced as Lingo. The number 6 is Roku, but it's pronounced as Roku. In addition, double consonants are commonly used in Japanese. Double consonants are words that have short pause within a word. For example, the word for school is 学校. 学校. It is not pronounced as 学校 because of the 2 case and is pronounced as 学校. 学校. Similarly, the word for a little is ちょっと. ちょっと. So, if we want to say, wait a minute, we can say, ちょっと待って. ちょっと待って. The word for 10 minutes is 10分. 10分. $800 is 800ドル. 800ドル. And the popular Japanese food of brown fermented beans is 納豆. 納豆. The northern island of Japan is called 北海道. 北海道. And the word for wedding or being married is 結婚. 結婚. Likewise, long vowels are highly used in Japanese. Long vowels are words that have 2 vowels together. For example, the word for airplane is 飛行機. 飛行機. And the food tofu is called 豆腐. 豆腐. And soy sauce is お醤油. お醤油. A kind of dumpling commonly eaten in Japan is 餃子. 餃子. And the word for trip is 旅行. 旅行. Again, it is not 旅行, but it is 旅行. 旅行. The word for a phone booth is 公衆電話. 公衆電話. Where 電話 is a telephone and 公衆 means public. The word for a bank is 銀行. 銀行. And post office is 郵便局. 郵便局. Judo, the Japanese traditional martial art, is called judo. Judo. And finally, the word for birthday is 誕生日. 誕生日. Compared to English, the Japanese phonetic system does not have f, v, th, and y sounds. For example, the English word fork will be pronounced as fork by Japanese people. And the name Victoria will be pronounced as Victoria, and Smith will be Smith. The English word thick will be pronounced as chic, and the word wrong will become long. Such knowledge will be useful if you meet and talk with the Japanese people who speak some English. Although most Japanese in Japan do not speak English well.